Hi, I'm Matthew, CEO of JA Malta. JA Malta stands for Junior Achievement, previously known as Young Enterprise. We're an educational institution that focuses on entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and work readiness. Entrepreneurship is a mindset. It's not the fact of just opening up a business. So as a mindset, entrepreneurship seeks out opportunities, seeks out challenges and ways of improving one's life. So we obviously need to promote that as much as possible. So I think for a startup to be a unicorn, it needs also not only a good idea, not only a good startup in itself, but it also needs an innovation ecosystem around it. So Malta needs to keep improving on the work that's been done before, to improve its innovation ecosystem, from the support mechanisms to funding to investors, and creating a whole culture of innovating, of entrepreneurship and investing in ideas. Yes, one of the important things when you're starting up is making sure your business model is solid. So there are tools, mainly the business model canvas, for example, but it's not a matter of just filling in a tool. It's the way of structuring your business model, making sure it's sustainable, looking at different ways, different revenue streams that you can generate and that compensate for the costs you need for your activities and resources.